Hello everyone, welcome to Curious Mind. Today I will share with you some real life examples of the Einstein's equation E is equal to mc square. First, we need to know that what does E is equal to mc square mean. Let me break it up for you. E is energy, m is mass, c is the speed of light, which is 300 million meters per second. So it becomes like this: energy equals mass times the speed of light squared. Energy is measured in joules. Let's see some examples of E is equal to mc square. Let's take an apple and see how much energy it has if its mass is 0.05 kg. I will show all the calculations on the screen. First, we will put the value of mass in its place. E is equal to 0.05 kg into c square. Now, we know the speed of light, so we will put it in place. E equals 0.05 kg into 300 million meters per second squared. So, the answer will be E is equal to 0.05 kg into 300 million meters per second square, which is E is equal to 4 quadrillion 500 trillion joules. So the answer is the energy in the apple is 4 quadrillion 500 trillion joules. Such mind-boggling, right? It is not necessary that c needs to be the speed of light. It also can be a constant speed or velocity of an object. Let's see an example. The question is, what is the kinetic energy of the cricket ball when it is thrown by Jasprit Bumrah at 150 kilometers per hour if the mass of the cricket ball is 250 grams. First, we need to convert the mass from grams to kilograms. 250 grams divided by 1000 is equal to 0.25 kilograms. Now let's put it in our equation. E is equal to 0.25 kilograms into c square. Now we need to convert the speed or velocity from kilometers per hour to meters per second. 150 kilometers per hour divided by 3600 seconds is equal to 0.041 kilometers per hour. 0.041 kilometers per hour into 1000 is equal to 41 meters per second. Now let's put it in our equation. E is equal to 0.25 kgs into 41 meters per second square. Now let's solve it. E is equal to 0.25 kgs into 41 meters per second square. So E is equal to 420.25 joules. Let's take another question. If a truck is moving at a speed of 50 kilometers per hour and weighs about 500 kgs, then how much kinetic, means moving, energy it has? First, we will put the value of the mass in its place. E is equal to 500 kgs into c square. Now, we know the speed or the velocity of the object, but we will first convert kilometers per hour to meters per second. 50 kilometers per hour divided by 3600 seconds is equal to 0.013 kilometers per hour. 0.013 kilometers per hour into 1000 is equal to 13 meters per second. Now let's put it in our equation. E is equal to 500 kgs into 13 meters per second squared. Now let's solve it. E is equal to 500 kgs into 13 meters per second squared. So E is equal to 84,500 joules. Now let's compare all the three examples. Amongst the three, it looks like the apple has got the highest energy because here we have taken c as the speed of light. We are multiplying the mass with the speed of light because if we turn each and every atom in the apple into pure energy, leaving no mass behind, the resulting energy will travel at the speed of light. This type of energy is called nuclear energy. But the other two, we have chosen C as the constant speed or velocity of an object, and also have found the kinetic energy of that particular object. Thanks for watching this video, and please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'll be back with more videos. Thank you.